Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, once you have created the CMS collection, the next step is actually adding fields to store your content. So in today's small tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add CMS fields in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for webflow.com. So after finding the website, tap on this link. It will take you to a new tab where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. As for now, we're gonna go and open the CMS panel here. Then open the settings for your collection. So 7 of the basic example of usual block design. For example, we have this one. So we're gonna tap on this one. We have this post body, we have the name, we have all of these options. Go to see the collection settings. So by opening the collection here, we're gonna tab it. It's queued to publish, not publish this basically. So we will be able to see multiple options about it. We can even share it, publish for now, remove from queue, not published. You can see multiple options. You can even see the comparison here, blog post 5 items. You can tap on these settings also to open a new page of the editor name and basically other options. The blog post, you can tap on cancel here to basically remove it. You should basically now tap, then add a new field. Choose field type like big text, rich text, image, multi-image, reference, or even option field. So for example, tap on this or even tap on settings. Okay, let's go back. So we are here, we're gonna go on settings here. Basic info, name, like post body, main image. We have name here. You can basically add new field here as well. So as I told you, name the field, give it an image or alter name. Then after being fully done, save collection or just tap on save. You can basically then fill in content by adding content to your CMS items using the new field. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.